So the Trader Joe's Cocoa Truffle Fizz is the same chocolate, it just has like a rock pops inside. And then it kind of fires off these little rock pops as you chew, which kind of creates a fizz texture in your mouth. And just kind of lingers. It's kind of interesting. Overall, real good. Too tasty. This is the popcorn truffle. It's very much popcorn. So the flavors of this, it's kind of hidden in the background of the truffle part. So you're kind of lingering, trying to find out where the popcorn comes out. The crunchy parts inside, kind of like a popcorn kernel taste to it. There are some other slight flavors of popcorn within it. Overall, not bad. Too tasty.